All right, welcome to video 4, the last video. This is going to be a quick video of just doing some borders and shading and briefly talking about a research paper. So I want you to make sure you clicked on page 4 in your thumbnail, and we are going to be working with this paragraph right here above your image. On the home tab, our shading again is just our paint can, and then we have our borders right here. So we are going to choose the arrow and just that very top color in our theme colors, green accent 1, to shade our paragraph. Perfect. Go ahead and keep that selected, and we are going to go to borders, and I want us to choose outside borders. So now we have a black outside border. Again, if you ever want to, the book does this, but I'm not going to. The black is perfect. But if we ever need to change the color of the lines, remember, I would need to choose the color, and then whenever I chose a color, I need to reselect each one of these lines in the preview so it would show up. Just keep that in mind. That is it for borders and shading. I do want you to save, and we can close out. I just want to touch on, because this is what some of your assignments are. This was in the book. It's not a very clear picture. But if you can see right here, it says formatting guidelines for the first page of a research paper. Again, we did APA in the tutorial. One of your first, your assessment is going to be MLA. So what's different is one of the main things in MLA is with the header. On the APA we just did, you do not have a header. Here you do have a header, including the first page right aligned. And then here's just some more things with an MLA guideline. Line spacing is double spaced. Margins are the default set to 1 inch, Times New Roman, 12 point, and the citations is different. We did the bibliography button and we chose works cited, and this one you are going to choose the bibliography button and choose bibliography. So there's a couple difference depending on what, in college, your professor, in high school, whatever your instructor suggests. So that is it. This is really important information with headers and footers, and just formatting with citations and things like that in a research paper. All right, so after this we'll be ready for our skills review.